If this is your first time organizing an event, you're probably thinking, I'm organized, I'm responsible, I'll make sure everything runs smoothly on the day of the event. Of course you think that. If this isn't your first time, you know a million things are gonna happen at once. While emails are chiming and phones are ringing, just then there'll be a problem demanding your immediate attention. And just then, a sponsor needs you. And as you know, that's not something you can ignore. Event sponsors are like attendees with added benefits that they paid for. One of the perks they get should be a dedicated team on call and on chat just for them. How big of a team? That depends on your event size and number of sponsors, amongst other things. So we can't really say. We can say that you'll also need a team to actively patrol the booths, demos, and breakout rooms during the event. Walk sponsors through what's gonna happen during the event. Be honest about hiccups and glitches that might happen, but prepare a guide with instructions for every possible case. Introduce them to their support team so that even if something happens, everyone's keeping it calm and friendly.